Hello, welcome to the AMF Bruns showroom. This is our showroom that we have at our new facility that we're excited to share with everyone. Here you can see our securement systems, and what we're featuring here is the different types of models that we have and showing you how greatly it secures a chair even on a side like this. Okay, so this is all of our school bus market and commercial securements. And then here we have what we call the FutureSafe, and we have our training platform that a lot of customers like using. And it gives you the opportunity to train and be able to certify your drivers and get them to do the hands-on experience on there. In some cases, we have applications with students that needs a back support. And with that, the FutureSafe is one thing that helps with the back support by giving it support from here. And you can get the chair out easily, and you'll be able to get the child out easily and off the bus as needed. What you do here is you just press down, bring down this here, as well here, and now you have given that child the back support they need. In some cases, a child might be a little bit with no strength and their back might be fragile, and this keeps them from hurting themselves seriously if they're in an accident, even if it's just a little bump. And then over here, we have what we call a WC8, WC19 chair. This is where a lot of folks get it confused with what they have in their vehicles. If you have a chair, make sure that it's a crash-tested belt. Otherwise, what's on there is considered a posture belt. AMF had actually designed their new retractor very differently, and the reason for it, you don't have to worry about replacing this. What we did was we designed this to already meet your WC18-19 chair. By doing that is we're connected here, we connect the occupant here, it already has this integrated lap belt, and then here we just connect it to the pin. So if your chair is on the opposite side of the bus, you can still connect it on this side. So this is the training platform that most school districts use for their training as well. We also feature what we call the smart seat, which is the ISOFIX. And the ISOFIX is actually for the reason of crash tests, just like you have in your automotive. So you're able to put a car seat or a booster seat as you need it into the seat. This application is used in a lot of the commercial vans. We get a lot of requests for this. And then here what we have is our Comfort Captain seat. And this is usually used more as a higher end vehicle application. There are schools also in transit that do activity buses, and these are the seats that they would prefer to have on those vehicles.